Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The dollar rose back toward a 20-year high as the euro struggled around the $1.05 mark, with investors preparing for a busy week of central bank meetings. The Bank of England is expected to raise interest rates to their highest level since 2009, as the central bank seeks to strike a balance between tackling record inflation and not taking action that would exacerbate the UK economic slowdown. Wall Street main indexes fell in volatile trading, dragged down by Amazon.com and financial stocks, with investors focusing squarely on the Federal Reserve meeting this week, where policymakers are widely expected to raise interest rates. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The US factory orders will be released at 1400 GMT, the US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT, and the Eurozone's Eurogroup Meeting at 0000 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment change will be released at 7:55 GMT, Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT, and Australia's RBA Rate Statement at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.